Touët-sur-Var, an idyllic village nestled in the Alpes-Maritimes region of Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur, France, epitomizes the essence of a tranquil countryside retreat. Surrounded by rolling hills, verdant landscapes, and the meandering Var River, this picturesque village exudes a timeless charm that captivates visitors with its unspoiled beauty and rich cultural heritage. At the heart of Touët-sur-Var lies a tapestry of narrow cobblestone streets, winding alleyways, and ancient stone houses adorned with colorful shutters, creating a postcard-perfect scene straight out of a Provencal painting. The gentle hum of life echoes through the village as locals traverse its labyrinthine paths, their daily routines intertwined with the rhythm of nature and community. The village's architectural heritage is a testament to its storied past, with landmarks such as the centuries-old church standing as silent sentinels of history. The church, with its weathered façade and imposing bell tower, serves as a focal point for both spiritual reflection and architectural admiration, offering visitors a glimpse into Touët-sur-Var's rich cultural tapestry. Life in Touët-sur-Var unfolds at a leisurely pace, where time seems to stand still amidst the serene beauty of the surrounding countryside. Locals gather at the village square, shaded by ancient plane trees, to exchange greetings and share stories, forging bonds that transcend generations. Here, community spirit thrives, fostering a sense of belonging and solidarity that is palpable to all who visit. Nature enthusiasts will find themselves enchanted by Touët-sur-Var's pristine landscapes, which offer a myriad of outdoor adventures to explore. Hiking trails wind their way through lush forests, offering panoramic vistas of the valley below and the distant peaks beyond. Cyclists can traverse scenic routes that meander along the riverbanks, while anglers cast their lines into the crystal-clear waters of the Var River in search of trout and grayling. For those seeking a respite from outdoor pursuits, Touët-sur-Var offers a wealth of cultural experiences to indulge in. Art galleries showcase the works of local artisans, while quaint cafes and bistros beckon with the promise of culinary delights made from locally sourced ingredients. Visitors can immerse themselves in the village's rich cultural heritage through guided tours, storytelling sessions, and traditional festivals that celebrate the region's customs and traditions. Gastronomy is a highlight of Touët-sur-Var, with local eateries serving up a tantalizing array of Provencal delicacies that tantalize the taste buds. From hearty stews and rustic bread to delectable pastries and artisanal cheeses, the village's culinary offerings reflect the bounty of the land and the culinary expertise of its inhabitants. As the sun sets over the horizon, casting a warm golden glow upon the village, Touët-sur-Var takes on a magical aura that enchants all who wander its streets. The air is filled with the melodious chirping of crickets and the faint scent of lavender, evoking a sense of serenity and tranquility that is as timeless as the village itself. In Touët-sur-Var, time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to savor each moment and embrace the simple pleasures of life. Whether strolling through its picturesque streets, sipping wine on a sun-dappled terrace, or simply basking in the beauty of nature, every experience in Touët-sur-Var is imbued with a sense of joy and wonder that lingers long after the journey has ended.